What's up? This is Chris on the longest way, trying as always to walk back from China to my home in Germany. Today is May the 14th, 2022. I think it's a Saturday, and we're walking through Serbia, and I just got my bread for the day. I forgot to buy bread in the last town in Bor, where I was, but luckily there's this little village shop here. So I went into the village shop. Looks like this, and yeah, everything is here. You got everything you need. I got a yogurt drink, I got some bread, and we're ready to go. Man, I'm tired for some reason. Very, very tired. Like, you know when it's hot and all you want to do is just lay down? That's me. What do you know? I just found some money in the street. This is 50. So yeah, it's not that much. How much is 50 dinar? Like how much is that? 30 cents or something? It's not much. Coolio. How much did I pay for the bread? I think it was 45. So basically I just found a loaf of bread. How about this place, huh? Isn't this beautiful? But then, I mean, we've talked about this before. In Bulgaria, like, guys, what's with your tires? This isn't, like, how many cars is this? If these are truck tires and every truck has like 10 of them, this is like, I don't know, a dozen trucks more? 2 dozen trucks? God damn it. I don't want to have the tires anymore. I can't pay for the trash dump. They're just gonna go here right next to the road where it's so nice. Ew, stop filming. Don't show the bad side. Asshole. So this has been a little bit of a ball breaker. Yes, Serpentine Road. Serpentines and more serpentines. We came. Well, Boosie and I, we came all the way from down there. The hills are in different shades of green and blue. The ones in the back are almost white. You can see the smoke from the copper mine, and well, serpentines. But it's nice, it's enjoyable, because it's beautiful. Made it to the highest point, I think, and it's quite beautiful up here. You can still see the smoke from the mine, and you can see the bug on my arm. Hey, bug. And here's a little house. I actually went in, the door was unlocked, but it was really dirty inside, and there were bees, and so I didn't want to stay there. I don't even know if you can hear me with the wind, but trust me, bees. so nice. This village, Rgotina, red roofs, and there's a car. Look at those roofs. We gotta find a place to sleep, place to camp. Most likely, I was gonna go here, find some water, and then go a little bit outside of this village and find a place to camp. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if I can find water first. I have enough, but I would like to have more. More water. More water is always good. Oh, this is a school here. Hey! Huh? Du Vieh? Ah, yeah. Sure. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Superman. Huh? Yeah. I know. Hi, you. Are you nice? Are you nice? Not sure, huh? Oh, there's a market. Okay. I would like to just fill up water from a fountain. Oh, there's a fountain too. Awesome. And some dudes. Здраво. Hello. That's the fountain. It doesn't look like it's working.